Hey everyone, have you ever thought about how the same sun that makes us feel so hot and bothered can actually light up our entire world? Today, we're going to talk about a type of energy that has been shining down on us for centuries, but we're only just now truly understanding its real power. I'm talking about solar energy. This isn't just a new technology, it's a whole new way of doing things. It's a change that can transform how we live, save our planet, and make India a new global powerhouse. In today's world, where we're facing big problems like climate change and pollution, solar energy has emerged as a ray of hope. Now, you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but why do we need it? Well, friends, for centuries, we've relied on fossil fuels like coal, petrol, and diesel. These fuels not only harm the environment, but they're also limited. One day they'll run out. Imagine what would happen on that day. Our cars, our homes, our factories, everything would stop. That's why the whole world has started on a new path. A path that is clean, safe, and will never end. This is called renewable energy. It includes the power of wind, water, and most importantly, our very own sun. India is becoming a leader in this change. Our government has started initiatives like the International Solar Alliance. From the deserts of Rajasthan to the cold valleys of Ladakh, huge solar farms are being set up everywhere. This isn't just happening on a large scale. Ordinary people are also becoming part of this revolution by putting solar panels on their rooftops. This is the true picture of a self-reliant India. Electricity bills will be lower and the air will be cleaner. So, get ready to join me on this exciting journey. We'll learn how a tiny ray of sunshine can light up the bulb in your home. We'll understand what goes on inside a solar panel that makes this magic happen. We'll break down its whole story in super simple language so you can also become a genius in this technology. This isn't just science, it's the story of our future. A future that will be bright, just like solar energy. So let's get started and deeply understand this amazing power of the sun. So friends, now let's get to the main thing. Those blue or black plates you might have seen on rooftops, those are called solar panels. This is the start of the solar power system. It catches sunlight and turns it into electricity. Inside, it's pretty amazing. Tempered glass on top, silicon cells in the middle, a backsheet at the bottom, and a strong aluminum frame holding it all together. The tempered glass protects it from rain, hail, dust, and outside damage like a shield. Right beneath it are our heroes. They silicon based on the solar cells. These cells are made of silicon. The same material found in sand and in the chips of your smartphone. The cells are connected to form a sheet placed on a back sheet for protection from moisture and heat. The aluminum frame holds everything tightly. This makes the panel strong and makes mounting easy. So, in short, a solar panel is like a sandwich. Yeah, glass on top, silicon cells. In the middle, a back sheet at the bottom, and a frame all around. When the sun's rays hit it, each part does its job. No noise, no smoke. Friends, now we'll understand that real magic, its scientific name is the photovoltaic effect. Photo means light, voltaic means electricity, making electricity from light. This was part of Albert Einstein's work, for which he received the Nobel Prize. Imagine the silicon cell is a compound. In it are tiny fish, electrons. The sun's photons fall like small pebbles, giving the energy to the electrons, and they start swimming around. See, the cell has two layers, one negative N-type, one positive P-type. Photons give energy, electrons are freed, and the junction forces them to flow in one direction. This is electric current. Lots of photons come at lots of electrons flow together. A powerful current is formed. This is direct current, DC. The same DC that's in your watch or remote control battery. So the sun has done its job. The silicon cells have made DC current. Now the next step, making it usable for us. That means changing DC to AC. Smooth 2.5D rotating keyword cards in brand neutral colors. Time to beats. So friends, our solar panel has made DC, but most of our home appliances run on AC. Now the question, how do we change DC to AC? This is where the inverter comes in, an electronic translator. It changes DC to AC. The inverter is smart. It checks voltage, frequency, and thinks my and syncs with the grid. Industry standard 230 by 50 Hz in the it tracks performance, how much electricity the panels are making if there's any fault in there, and shows everything on the display or app. The process: sun's rays hit the panels, DC is made, goes through wiring to the inverter. The inverter changes DC to AC. AC goes to your main switchboard. From there to every corner of the house. Fan, light, TV, everything. Now, how to install it at home? First, how many panels do you need? It depends on your electricity bill. Let's say you need 10 units a day. A 500W panel gives about 2.5 units on day. So 4 to 5 panels. Panels can't just be placed on the roof. They are securely installed on an aluminum, steel mounting structure at the correct angle, so they get more sunlight and are safe from wind storms. Then all the panels are connected in series or parallel. Wiring goes into a junction box. From there, a thick DCC cable goes to the inverter. Most systems are on-grid. KC Sande grid tied. For this, a net meter or bi-directional meter is needed. When extra power is made, it's sent to the grid. At night or when it's cloudy, you take from the grid that then grid when this on the you pay you give electricity to the grid. This got a grid. The meter pets and the meter spins backward. A credit is added to your bill. At the end of the month, you only pay for the net electricity used. Sometimes the bill is zero or even a refund. So what happens at night or with frequent power cuts? And that's where solar batteries come in. It can be in like a power bank, but for the whole house, And then during the day, extra DC is stored in the battery, chemical energy. At night or when it's cloudy, the system automatically switches to battery mode. Or a battery DC goes to the inverter. The inverter makes AC or lights, fans, TV will all run. You won't even know what the source is. 24/7 electricity freedom. No more worries about power cuts. Off-grid systems are perfect for remote areas, farms, or those who want energy independence. Lithium-ion batteries are popular, like in smartphones and EVs. They are lightweight, store more energy, and have a long life. Yes, the initial cost is higher, but peace of mind and security are priceless. For those who are troubled by frequent power cuts, this is an excellent investment. It ensures that the sun's power is available 24 hours a day, whether the sun is in the sky or not. Friends, when you go to buy a solar panel, there are two names, monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Both are made from silicon, but the manufacturing method is different. Mono, single crystal, pure process. Poly, many crystals together. In mono, electrons get a better path. Efficiency is typically 18 to 22% plus, more electricity in less space. In poly, due to grain boundaries, efficiency is 15-18%. Budget friendly, small roof, mono is best. More space, smaller budget, poly is good. Nowadays, the difference between the two is getting smaller. Solar energy is everywhere. City rooftops, offices, malls, airports. Kochi Airport runs entirely on solar. The matter of pride for India. Traffic lights, street lights, billboards, and solar micro grids in villages. Panels on homes. Plus battery. Dealers 24/7 electricity. Solar water pumps for farmers. Lower costs, higher yield. Small applications. Solar calculators. Garden lights. Power banks. Even packs. Benefits: completely clean energy. Lincoln Para, no smoke, no greenhouse gases, less pollution, long-term free power, production for 25-30 years, even earning through net metering. Challenges: less production at night, cloudy weather, need for space. Solutions: battery storage, grid connection, large solar farms. Technology is improving rapidly. More efficient cells, low light performance, cheaper and better batteries, government incentives, subsidies, and easy loans. We are on the threshold of a new era. Our cars, homes, and cities. Everything will run on the power of the sun. This is a dream of a clean, sustainable, and prosperous future. And solar energy is the key to that dream.